Kool 97 FM is gearing up to launch its Adopt a Community initiative, an effort aimed at supporting vulnerable communities and helping them rebuild stronger. We caught up with them recently at their Melissa Music Marathon, and this is what they had to say about the upcoming program.
We are going to begin our community visits in the next 2 weeks. We're going to, as you know, Adopt a Community is something that's a part of this. So what we're raising today and prior to today is going to go to the affected communities. We're selecting 3 communities, and up until December 2, people have an opportunity to recommend to us which communities they want us to come into. So coming out of this, we will select those 3. I know that there have been a lot of excellent online response for that. So our corporate responsibility team is going to select those 3 communities. We start those community visits in 3 weeks, and that's what we're looking for, to just being there with the people, just experiencing it with them. We're doing the needs assessment, so whatever they need. Some communities need psychosocial help. Some communities need food and clothing. Some communities need building supplies. So we're doing the needs assessment, and we're going in to just see what you need, and we will provide that with the funds that we have raised. And so we want to just say, hang on in there.
Kool 97 FM teamed up with the PBCJ to bring relief to Jamaicans affected by Hurricane Melissa, hosting a 12-hour Melissa Music Marathon on November 29. The fundraiser lit up the National Studio with some of the island's favorite DJs and artists performing in support of the cause.